Hi, this is Jennifer with KnitCurio, and today we're going to learn the basic long tail cast on. The long tail cast on is a great cast on method to learn that gives you a little more stretch. It's great for projects that need a little extra give, such as brims of hats, cuffs of socks, fingerless mitts, and other items where you need just a little extra give. To get started, you need to use a length of yarn. This can be a bit of a negative when you have a lot of stitches to cast on, such as a blanket edging, so be sure to give yourself an extra give. A tip I have is to cast on 20 stitches first, measure that amount of yarn. I like to use my body as measurements, such as my arm, and that will give you an idea about how many stitches you need to cast on for those large projects and how much yarn to give. So for this, for example, I'm just going to pull out enough yarn to do a couple of stitches. And what you're going to do is you can create a slip knot, or you don't have to use a slip knot. If you just wanted to place your yarn over your needle, you would just hold onto it. To do a slip knot midpoint, you can do a twist of your yarn, take a loop, and feed that loop through the twist and pull. Place it on your right hand needle or your left hand needle if you want to get started knitting right away. Make sure the tail is closest to your body to avoid confusion. You're then going to take both legs and you're going to treat them like little curtains. So you're going to take your thumb and your index finger and peek through the curtain. And then you're going to take your hand, the rest of your fingers, and grab both of the legs, both of the tails at the bottom so they don't go anywhere. Then you're going to hold your yarn, bring it down to make an Eiffel Tower or upside down pyramid. You're then going to go under your thumb, around your index finger, that first leg, and immediately go down into the hole. Drop your thumb, and you can use your thumb to pull, or you can use just both fingers just to kind of straighten it up. You don't want it too tight. You want to allow for loose tension so you can knit the next row. To get started again, you're going to peek through the curtains, grab both tails with your yarn, with your other fingers, bring your yarn down to form an upside down triangle. Then you're going to go under that first leg, the outer leg of your thumb, that first leg of the index finger, and go directly in through the hole. Drop your thumb and pull. I have 3 stitches on. Let's do it again. Peek through the curtain, grab the legs, bring down in a pyramid, take the outer yarn of the thumb, take the close leg on your index finger, bring it directly through the hole, and drop your thumb and pull. And that is how you do the long tail cast on.